Welcome to Programmers Academy. Today, we've got an exciting topic for our global audience of technical enthusiasts. We're diving deep into the world of ChatGPT. Our viewers span across the world, from North America to Asia, Europe, and everywhere in between. ChatGPT is making waves worldwide. So, what is ChatGPT, you ask? It's like having a conversation with a computer, but not just any computer, a smart one, powered by GPT technology. ChatGPT uses artificial intelligence to understand your questions and provide human-like responses. It's like having a tech-savvy buddy on standby 24/7. Whether you're a coding novice or a seasoned pro, ChatGPT is here to assist, educate, and spark your technical curiosity. And the best part? ChatGPT is accessible to everyone, regardless of your age or technical background. It's like having a tech mentor in your pocket. So there you have it, folks. ChatGPT, a global tech companion that's revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Stay tuned to Programmers Academy for more tech insights and tutorials. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep chatting with ChatGPT and keep coding.